Rinse-Aid is a dishwasher additive that helps prevent films and other residues from leaving streaks on your dishes during the dishwashing cycle. The water in this sink does not have any Rinse-Aid added. Notice the water droplets and the streaks of water on the glass. Now let's see what happens after we add Rinse-Aid to the water. Notice how the water beads right off of the glass. There are no streaks and there are no water droplets. Rinse-Aid reduces the surface tension of water. This causes the water to run off your dishes more effectively during the rinse cycle of your dishwasher. Locate the Rinse-Aid dispenser on your dishwasher. It's usually located to the right of the detergent dispenser. Fill the dispenser with Rinse-Aid and close the lid. Each time your dishwasher runs, a small amount of Rinse-Aid will be dispensed during the rinse cycle. You only have to refill this about once a month. If you notice that your Rinse-Aid cap is leaking, here are some things that you want to check for. First, make sure that the O-ring isn't cracked, kinked, or missing in any way. Also, make sure that it's properly seated in the groove. Another thing to look for is to make sure that the cap is in the locked position. And one final note, if the cap is missing or it's been cut or broken in any way, you should have it replaced. And that will prevent any of the Rinse-Aid from leaking prematurely out of your Rinse-Aid dispenser. Please subscribe to our channel. We upload videos every week to help you with your appliances. And please remember to always use your use and care guide.